Hey everyone, Marvin Johnson here. Let's be honest, living in awesome Canadian cities like Toronto, Vancouver or Calgary isn't cheap. Rent, groceries, going out, it all adds up fast. To afford the fun stuff, you need a job that pays well, right? So, whether you're just starting out or thinking about a career change, this video's for you. We're checking out the top high-paying jobs in Canada that will not only help you survive in these expensive cities, but actually thrive. We're talking about those six-figure salaries, great benefits, and the peace of mind knowing you can enjoy what these amazing cities offer without constantly stressing about money. Let's get started. Living comfortably in big Canadian cities like Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, or Montreal means you need a good salary. Here are some jobs that are in high demand and pay well. Tech is booming, and these are the smart people who make it all happen. Data is super important these days, and these folks know how to use it. Someone's got to keep those complex tech projects on track, right? With all this tech, keeping things safe is more important than ever. Artificial intelligence is the future, and these engineers are building it. Whether a family doctor or a specialist, doctors are always needed. Nurses are the backbone of healthcare, essential and well paid. They give out medicine and advice, a vital and rewarding career. Working behind the scenes, they're vital for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Everyone needs good dental care, making this a great and stable career choice. Good with numbers, financial analysts are key players in the finance world. High stakes, high rewards investment banking is known for its earning potential. Businesses always need CPAs. It's a stable career with great earning potential. Help businesses thrive by offering your expertise and problem-solving skills. Love math and statistics. Actuaries manage risk and are compensated well. Cities are constantly growing, and civil engineers are the ones who build them. From power grids to gadgets, electrical engineers are in high demand. Design, build, innovate, mechanical engineers have diverse and lucrative careers. Sustainability is key, and environmental engineers are leading the way. Corporate law, real estate law, lawyers in these fields are in high demand. Specialized paralegals provide essential support in fast-paced legal fields. Keep companies on the right side of regulations, a stable and well-paying role. Skilled trades are in high demand, and electricians are no exception. Everyone needs a plumber, making this a trade with excellent earning potential. Keeping buildings comfortable means HVAC techs will always be in demand. So there you have it. Those are some of the top-paying jobs in Canada that can help you not just survive, but actually live well in those amazing but expensive cities. Now, I'm not saying you have to become a brain surgeon or anything, but it's about finding something you're passionate about that utilizes your skills and, of course, pays you what you deserve. Remember, aiming for jobs that pay $75,000 to $100,000 or more annually can help you live comfortably in these cities. Look for benefits like healthcare and flexible work arrangements to further ease living costs. And hey, dual income households can also significantly reduce financial pressure. Ultimately, it's about finding the right balance for you. Do your research, network, and don't be afraid to go after what you want. The right career is out there, and I'm confident you'll find it. Until next time, take care.